It's smiling face. Yo, what's up, guys? So in like 2 weeks ago, I said that if we hit 75 subscribers, I would solve a Rubik's Cube. Now I tried to find a colored one, which would be like the standard type, but I couldn't find that, and I have this mirror cube. Sorry if light bounces into the camera and it's shiny, but yeah, when this is solved, it'll look like a cube. Trust me, I know it looks weird and deformed, but it'll look good. And let's get started. Okay, so I don't know if I should talk you guys through this because this isn't a tutorial, but I might just explain a couple things, you know. Okay, so yeah, I solved this. I'm trying to get the sides like that, and then since this cube is weird, I have to do this step kind of backwards. Okay, got that, and got that. Okay, I'm also doing this on camera so that you guys could see that I am actually doing it, not somebody else. Wait. Okay, yeah. Okay. Come on. Ah, this cube is so weird to move. Holy. Okay, yeah. Got that. No, I did. Flubs. Yeah, I'm trying to make this take as little time as possible, just for your guys' convenience. Okay, got that. Finally. Okay, and now I can just do this. Boom. So yeah, I'm trying to get the sides now. Like, I'm trying to get this and that. So, yeah, that goes there. Okay. Nope. Aha. This is somewhat annoying. Nope. Okay. And yeah, so now I only have this to do. Where's the last piece? Come on. Show yourself. I think that, yeah, that's the last piece. Okay. Yeah, I got this side. Ooh, wow, special. Okay. Yeah, that might go there. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Nope. Nope. There. Yeah, as I said, I'm sorry if I'm not talking a lot during this. I'm just trying to get the cube solved. Come on. There. Okay. Okay. So yeah, now I have this side and these 2 rows done. So now I'm going to be working on this. Okay. Like this part at least is a really simple pattern. Like you keep on doing the same pattern. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Ooh. The Rubik's Cube gods have helped me. Okay. Yeah, so now now this is all, but now I need to, wait. So now I need to do these sides. This is very hard for me to present, you know. Let's go, got that. And, oh, okay, good. Now, boom, bam. Bop, bop, boom, boop. Yeah, so now I solved that. Now a lot of these edges are good, only the middles. That, nope, that. You'll know. Okay. Yes. Boom, finished. Oh yeah. Rubik's Cube solved. I'm not playing any illusions. This is actually solved. Okay. There. So yeah. If you liked this video, just say I liked it or something. Or give a thumbs up. But yeah. This is me solving the Rubik's Cube that I said for 75 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for getting us there. It means so much to me. Like, 75. That's insane. But, yeah. Okay. So, that's me solving it. Hope you enjoy. And keep on smiling.